Yeah, have a great day, everybody. Today, I would like to tell you in German, right? My main topic is nominative case today. You know very well, in German, cases also play a vital role. So, we have to study about nominative case, accusative case, dative case, and genitive case. In nominative case, we study about subjects, right? And in accusative case, we study about direct object. In dative case, we have to study about indirect object. Today, I would like to tell you something about nominative case. Because when you start learning German language, cases play a vital role, my dear friend. So, let's start this one. So, in case of nominative case, we have to study subjects. In German, subject is called Subjekt. S-U-B, sub, and J-E-C-T. So J is called ya, so we say act, Subjekt. The subject takes the nominative case. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ आपका, right? And whenever we start as a subject, so you know very well, ich means I, I-C-H, D-U, do means you, E-R, air means he, S-I-E, Z means she, or E-S-S means it, right? Is, do, air, Z, S. Actually, these are called personal pronoun. पर्सनल को इन जर्मन विषय पेयरजोनाल प्रोनोमेन कहते हैं, राइट? पेयरजोनाल, P-E-R is called pair, S-O-N-A-L, so is called zo, विषय पेयरजोनाल, pronoun is called pronomen, पेयरजोनाल pronomen. सिंगुलर को विषय जिंगुलार, राइट? एंड प्लूरल इज कॉल्ड प्लूराल. सिंगुलर को क्या बोलेंगे? सिंगुलर है तो एस को ज बोलेंगे तो जिंगुलार, एंड प्लूरल इज कॉल्ड प्लूराल. तो थ्री थिंग्स रिमेंबर. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन इज कॉल्ड पेयरजोनाल प्रोनोमेन, सिंगुलर इज कॉल्ड जिंगुलार, एंड प्लूरल इज कॉल्ड प्लूराल. सो व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट सब्जेक्ट पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, so as I can say, so za means I, Z is za means I, tu means you, er air means he, लड़का है तो, and S-I-E, Z means she, और S means it. za, tu, sorry, za, ish, do, air, Z. I told you ish means I, do means you, air means he, Z means she. So in case of German, ich means I, du means you, air means he, Z means she. And wir, W-I-R, wir means we, ear means you guys, दो तीन बंदे आप हैं, और S-I-E-Z means they, and S-I-E capital letter with S, that's called you formal letter. So is, do, air, Z, S. Wir means we, ear means you guys, Z and Z. All these are called personal pronoun. Just like you say, I am a teacher. Which is been professor, अगर आप professor हैं, it's been professor. और girl है तो it's been professor. Is what is what is called subject. And subject is a part of nominative case. हमने कहा it's been professor, do wished professor, you are professor. तो subject यहाँ पे क्या है? You are professor, do, तो do is called, that's why ish means I, do means you, air means he, Z means she. All these are called personal pronouns. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं मैडिक में. Now whenever we say about another one, like suppose we say mine, personal pronoun I told you. Now I'm telling you possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means which are mine. Mine means my. Dine, D-E-I-N. Dine means your. Sein. Sein means is, and ear. Ear means are. Mein, dein, sein, ear. Suppose you say my brother is a profession. So my brother is called what? This is called subject. Comes under nominative case. So mein Bruder ist profession. Just like you say, na, ich bin profession. So mein Bruder ist profession. Dein Bruder, your brother is. Dein Bruder ist profession. Sein Bruder ist profession, and ihr Bruder ist profession. So here I told you mein, dein, sein, ihr. These are called possessive pronoun. What do you say? These are called possessive pronoun. Yeah, you could say mein Bruder. My brother's name is. My brother is called Sudhakar Pathak. Just like we said, my name is Isa Haisha Indrakant Pathak. So mein Bruder heißt, my brother name is. So mein Bruder heißt Sudhakar Pathak. Mein Bruder heißt. Dein Bruder heißt, your brother name is. Sein Bruder heißt, his brother name is. Ihr Bruder Name. What do you say? Ihr Bruder heißt. Mein Bruder, dein Bruder, sein Bruder, ihr Bruder. So all these are called possessive pronoun, my dear friend. Now I am telling you about all these. First of all, I am telling you about article. You know, actually in German, article changes according to cases. So I am talking to you right now. There are two types of article: definite article or indefinite article. Definite is called bestimmt article, and indefinite is called unbestimmt article. In bestimmt article, we have, just like we said, the. So to say the, the, in German we have der, die, das. So der is called masculine.